it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the Kmart straightener. So let's get started. So what is it? So it is a hair straightener. One thing I love about this hair straightener is that it has curved edges. So what makes the biggest deal with the curved edges is when curling your hair, it just makes it slide down instead of like pulling on the hair. So if you want to curl your hair with a straightener and you're looking for a cheap one, this is one of the best. So for starters, the positives, the price range. It is amazing price. Really cheap. It has a great temperature guide, quick to heat up. It has really good heat throughout the whole hot plate on it that you can see here. And when you close it together, you can see that they are like fully joined. Now, in short, some straighteners, and especially those cheaper brands, they can have it on a different angle. And so when you close it, it might be like touching at the top, but not at the bottom. And this can cause pulling in your hair, but this could also make the curls not form right or straighten right. So it being able to do that is a very good sign. Yeah, the other sort of things with it, I think for a very cheap curler, it looks very good. It has a really good swivel point, so making it easy to curl and move it around. And yeah, it's just a beautiful design, really easy to use. So I have these curls here that I slept in. They are just braids, and I put a lot of gel in for that particular style yesterday, so it's a bit oily, but we're gonna go give it a straighten using this straightener. For my hair type, I would probably go for maybe 190 or 200. And I'll just let it heat up. As you can see, it's flashing, so it's still coming to heat. I can feel like it is already very hot right now. So it is still sort of heating up, and now it is ready to go. Once it is ready, it will tell you that it is ready. I don't know if you can see that, but it says that it's ready. And I simply would just grab it because my hair has got the curls. I want to just run my hand through it, and I just go so nice and slowly. Guys, look at that. Now, as I said, my hair is so oily because my style yesterday had gel in it, but I'll go ahead and straighten some more pieces and then come back for the final review. So let's do the cross comparison. It literally took me like 2 minutes. I did not like do section by section. I still got a few little pieces, but that to me is pretty good. What I will sort of try and do and show you is how great it is. I know 200 degrees is pretty hot, so I'm gonna bring it down 150. So I've got it on 150. And I'll just show you how well it straightens my hair. Guys, it is at 150, so it's stopped flashing. How amazing is this as a straightener? So I just want to go through all the hair again, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, I'm back. I would say this side, I had to go over it like 2 to 3 times, where this one was straight sort of down. What I will quickly show you is how I curl with this straightener. So you just want to grab a section and you just want to wrap it around. And I like to just keep twisting. I don't know if you can see there. And there you have the curl. It is really silky. It definitely struggles when the hair is like a lot thicker, or you have a larger chunk, but that's just with straightening with a straightener, curling I mean with a straightener as a general. But yeah, that's how I curl with my straightener. Okay, so lastly, what I want to add is what's the downfall of this straightener. And I'd say the biggest downfall is it's just not as good as my higher range one. So I have my Baby Bliss one. If you've seen my review, I've done it down below. It has a similar design to this, but it has a hot plate on the outside as well, and that sort of helps conduct the heat. I'd say because this is plastic on the outside, I'm just not as much of a fan, but I do think it is a great straightener, and really besides that, I have no complaints. So that's my final review of this straightener. Absolutely love it. think it is like just so amazing for its price. If you like this straightener, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!